There's a bee!
What is going on, guys? It's your boy CJ back from Flight 4 Hype. I'm here with another unboxing. Super excited to let you guys know about this one. Now, this pickup is a little different, man. These are very controversial Jordan 1s. These are actually my first Jordan 1s I've ever bought for myself for my first collection. So it's going to be good. I really wanted to go against the grain on this one. I didn't want to buy something everyone's already seen. So I'm super excited to let you guys know about this one right here. We're to get to the unboxing. This is my first black box Jordan as well too, so super excited about that. So let's get started on the video. All right, guys, we are back. There you go. There you have it. The black box Nike Jordans. I really like these OG boxes. I'm really feeling the black and red. I'm a true size 10. Hopefully the Jordan 1s fit true to size to me. And like I said, I went against the grain with these ones, man. So bought them off StockX. So opening up the box, you got your StockX tag, your receipts. And like I said, man, these are very controversial shoe, and here they are. The Jordan 1 Defying Couture. A lot of people are not feeling this shoe. Well, let me tell you, I am not one of those people. I am feeling this shoe 100%. It is my style. It is my vibe. I love the dressy look to the shoe. I love the fact that the shoes came unlaced. You know what I mean? That just added a whole new connection to the shoe for me. The fact that it was unlaced, I had to lace them up myself. Like, I really got a good sense of it. And everyone was complaining about the leather. The leather is really nice. Yes, it's a little thinner. Yes, it's a little thicker. And yes, the tongue is also a little thinner as well too. But that's the point of the shoe. It's supposed to feel like a dress shoe. And I love the red that's going right around the shoe, right across the upper. I love that vibe, man. These are going to be my shoes for a while. Wait until I step out in these. Check out some on-foot footage. Alright guys, that's it for my unboxing. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about these shoes. I know people were rocking with them. I know a lot of people weren't. So let me know in the comments below. It's been a great video, man. These are my very first pair of Jordan 1s. I'm definitely gonna cop a bit more. It's been a great video, man. It's your boy CJ from Flight 4 Hype. Follow us out.